think everyone in the world has three mothers. Your first mother, who gave birth to you. Second mother, our teachers, who educate you. Your third mother is the richest mother, who has more than 7 billion kids. And now I'm going to talk about our richest mother, Mother Nature. Even before you were born, your birth mother is being provided for, giving her everything. She needs to nurture her growing baby. You feel the love of her hand even there. Then you take your first breath, your first taste of oxygen, and now she is providing directly for you. From the beginning of time, how did we used to live? We used to live in dwellings made of wood and branches. Also, we used to wear clothing made of leaves. We made a fire from Mother Nature and found our foods from rivers and forests. Mother Nature takes care of us all the time. She is so generous. But today we have already used most of our natural resources and want to have a more luxurious life. Everything we use, everything we have comes from nature. Even technology has its roots in nature. Actually, we have nice accommodation to live in, warm clothes to wear, tasty food to eat. But we want more. Mother Nature is giving us all she has. What are we giving to her? As kids, we have to take care of our mother because we are destroying her year by year. We are filling Mother Nature with trash and waste. These bad actions are making our shared mother die. We mustn't cut down trees. We must use less paper. We must plant new trees. We must stop polluting our air. We have stopped factories from destroying the air. We must clean up forests, towns, cities. Trash and pollution are strangling Mother Nature. Thank you.